Hi, welcome to Cam Look, your daily dose of the Cincinnati Art Museum. Each day a staff member will be sharing an object from the permanent collection and posing questions for discussion. Please check back at 10 a.m. every day for new work and a new chat. My name is Meredith Waddell. I'm an associate preparator at the Cincinnati Art Museum, and today the piece or pieces I'm going to talk to you about are called Netsuke. They're miniature sculptures, they're Japanese, and they were made around 18th and 19th century. They were worn by women and men. Kimonos didn't have pockets, so netsuke were used at the top of these containers that they would carry around and tuck into a sash, and they would carry their personal belongings with them that way. Besides their utilitarian purpose, they were really beautiful pieces, usually carved wood or ivory. They usually depicted Buddhist gods or demons, sometimes zodiac signs, and they were thought to bring good luck, longevity, or guard against evil. These pieces remind me of something actually I have in my own personal collection, and I'm going to show you that now. Let me put on my art gloves. We use these to handle art at the museum. And I'm going to show you this silver charm bracelet that was my grandma's. She received this around 1943 from her brother, who was in the Air Force. And they have different charms for different things she experienced in her life. This is obviously just represents Arizona and where her brother was because of the turquoise. There's a piece that is a ball and chain that she got in 1955 when she got married, so lovely. And all of them kind of have little mobile parts, which is really cool. My favorite one is this glasses case called, and on the front it says "Love is Blind." Don't really know what that's from, but we're gonna take a look because it actually opens up. And inside, actually, even need tweezers to get this out. It's so small. Are the tiniest pair of little glasses. So anything small and intricate like this really interests me. I love the preciousness of it. So that's why I wanted to show you guys these today and talk about netsuke. Is there anything in your personal collection that you would like to share that reminds you of our collection and kind of has a special place in your heart like these charms do? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.